Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a brand new weekly vlog. All right. I wanted to go ahead and just start off the vlog by saying thank you guys so much for subscribing. I have so many new subscribers and so many people who are excited about the content that I create. And I just wanted to tell you guys, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, because what you see is what you're gonna get. This is an organically grown channel. We don't do any gimmicks or anything else over here. You're pretty much just gonna see our life. That includes the ups and the downs sometimes. So I just wanted to throw that out there and welcome you guys to the family, to the guys' family, basically. So today's Monday. It is the 16th of September. I am actually gonna be having just repeats, like leftovers. I ordered some DoorDash. I DoorDashed some pho on Saturday. I really wanted something comforting. So this is the same one from Saturday. I also got like a little Vietnamese spring roll, and then also one of their summer rolls, which has lots of shrimp and stuff like that in it. So yeah, this is strictly just for me, and the leftovers were still there, so that was great. My water cup for the week, my chartreuse color, which I absolutely love, and of course the little Hello Gorgeous straw topper that I got from Shein as well. So one of my favorite colors, matches my big personality, and yes, that's what I'm having for today. Water consumption today was actually pretty decent. I drank an entire thing. I could have drinking the entire thing this morning, but I kind of paced myself a little bit, which I probably shouldn't have done. I should have just went ahead and drank it all, but then I had to refill it, and I don't have my, what I like to add in my water, which is like lemon, lime, and ginger. So it's okay. But I did also go ahead and make my coffee today. My coffee usually just consists of Starbucks French roast, which is the dark roast. And then I add in a little bit of my sugar-free French vanilla creamer, 5 things. And then a scoop of some collagen peptides, which I kind of keep in the back there, just to kind of keep my joints and stuff, mainly for joint health, really, is what I do. I know it's good for hair and nail and skin and all that great stuff, which is awesome, but I really want the joint benefits to it. Ankles, knees, hips, all that. That's what I really want. But I think that's pretty much it. This week is going to be very jam-packed. So I'll give you guys just a brief rundown. And I do mean brief. So tomorrow after work, I'm going to get my nails and feet done because we have a wedding to attend on Sunday. We also have a yacht party event to attend on Saturday, and that is for our dear friend's 5th anniversary. So their 5-year anniversaries for the Carpenters. So we are so excited for them. We love them so much, and we are excited to celebrate with them. So anniversary, yacht party on Saturday, wedding, which we cannot wait for, on Sunday, which kind of trickles over to Monday as well. So I'll definitely be keeping you guys in the loop with that. This Wednesday, so that's Tuesday. Wednesday, we're going to be all day with Dad. He has a couple appointments, so we'll be with him pretty much for the entire day. Thursday, I think it's just a regular normal day, and Friday should be a regular normal day as well. We don't have Nugget or anything because we saw him last week. But yeah, that is our jam-packed week. I know it's going to fly by, but in between, I have, home stuff I got to do. Sweep, mop, vacuum, change sheets, wash clothes, make sure my outfits are together, make sure everything's ready. So yeah, it's gonna be a lot, but we're excited for it. We're really excited for the couples, and yeah, it's gonna be a good week. So I'm gonna just speak that into existence. It's gonna be a great week. I'm gonna have that positive mindset as we move forward, and yeah, that's what it is gonna be, what it is. I'm not gonna have a soda of my own today, but my husband already opened up this Dr. Pepper Zero Sugar, so I'm just gonna have some of this because I usually don't finish an entire soda on my own anyway. But it is 4:15 right now. I'm gonna go ahead and break my fast with my pho. So I cannot wait. It smells so good. I might actually heat it up a little bit more because it's not as hot as I would like it. But I also have my little hors d'oeuvres or whatever the case is as well. So I'll probably be chowing down on that. But yep, 4:15, I'm going to start eating, and I will catch you all here tomorrow, same time, same place, right here on the channel. You guys take care. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. All right, it is Tuesday. It is the 17th of September, and it is 6 minutes to 7 o'clock. Yes. almost 7. So we had to run some errands right after work. I told you guys we're heading to a wedding on Sunday, and then we had that anniversary yacht party on Saturday. So a lot of stuff going on the weekend. I did not want to jam pack the schedule. The yacht party is actually in town, but the wedding is a few states over. So it's going to be a lot of travel, and yeah, I don't want to come. I'm not one of those people that cuts close to the wire. I'm trying to get stuff done in advance so that I don't have to worry about it. So nails and the feet got done. They look great. I inserted a little clip there so you guys could see my nail tech Rocky, and he was making sure everything was correct. Everything is looking good. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of what I made. It's super simple, and yeah, let's go. All right, so today I'm actually having some of the leftover carne asada. So I'm gonna go ahead, I got my little plate out here. I'm gonna go ahead and heat that up. I made some steamable broccoli bags, just a couple bags of broccoli. I just added in a couple pats of butter and clearly salt and pepper. This back here is chili. My husband's gonna have chili, and I think he's gonna do tater tots with that and cheese.
Tachos!
So he's doing tachos. Say hi, hun.
Hey, y'all.
Say hi to the vlog. All right, so he's making tater tots right here so he can have with his chili. I went ahead and made just a little bag of, you know, the little quick Spanish rice. Cooks in 7 minutes. That's what it looks like. So let's hope that what's in this pot oh yeah, that looks good. Okay, great. So I have that with my carne asada and my broccoli. So tomorrow we're going to be with Dad all day. So I'm also going to go ahead and make him a plate as well. He's going to have some carne asada, some Spanish rice, and some broccoli. That way he can have, you know, dinner and everything already together, and he doesn't have to try to figure anything out once we finish with his appointments tomorrow. So that's basically what I have going on. Like I said, I am super hungry. I'm not even going to sit here and lie to you guys. I already made my coffee. But in the car on the ride home, my husband was nice enough to actually purchase, he asked me if I wanted a snack for the ride home. I was like, yeah, nuts. Like, I need something healthy. I need something a little healthier, you know, to break my fast with. So when I was in the car, we just snacked on we actually split a bag of cashews. You guys know I'm going to be transparent as much as I can because I was hungry, and it was like 6 o'clock and we're in the car on the way home. So we split a bag of these little premium cashews. They were actually really, really good too. So I already broke my fast with this in the car, but the rice is done. So I'm about to heat up my carne asada, plate it all up, and I'm ready to chow down. All right, guys, I will see you all here tomorrow. Same time, same place, right back here on the channel. But I hope you guys have a great rest of your evening. Take care. Bye. Welcome back to the channel. All right, good to see you guys too. It is Thursday. That's Friday's Eve. That's one day before Friday. One more wake up. One, and that's it. All right, today is the 19th of September. Right now it is 5:22. We're actually just getting in the house, and you saw us kind of just slap everything together. Basically, just put everything together. I just came from an appointment. It ran a little longer than usual because usually we're here, you know, a little earlier than this, but let me tell you, the traffic alone, a mess. But anyway, you guys saw me. I already have kind of a combined salad. So it is surgical tech week this week at my job. And basically they've been purchasing lunch for, you know, our company or our, you know, facility every single day, which I think is awesome because they definitely, you know, do need the recognition that they deserve for being in there and, you know, having to deal with the doctors and the patients and everything else along those lines. So I'm so, you know, very proud of them. You know, congratulations if you're a surgical technician. But yeah, basically we already had a salad. All we did was basically just doctored it up. Added some cheese. I had like a little packet of feta, and then I also added in some sharp cheddar. But the salad was basically just a kale salad that I just kind of, you know, put together. Nobody really cares for the healthier food at work, so I'm always right there to scoop it on up and bring it home. And then on the side, I'm sure you guys are tired of seeing this carne asada, but it's so good. And this is pretty much it. This is it. We have the last couple pieces. I also have this steamed broccoli that I made that I made as it's a steamable vegetable packet from the freezer. So we're gonna go ahead and finish that up today, and then tomorrow we'll figure out something for dinner. But yeah, we're gonna eat good today, okay? A nice, beautiful, colorful salad, which looks delicious. And then, of course, the delicious steak and the rest of that just steamed broccoli. So I have my water cup, which I did great with today. I refilled it at work. And then also my coffee that you guys know I absolutely love. So I'm going to have this. I'm going to go ahead and break my fast. I am super duper hungry, so I'm trying to talk fast. Yeah, but I will see you all here tomorrow. Same time, same place, right back here on the channel. You guys take care. Bye.